Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Chairman Strongpillar Kharjana confirmed on Wednesday that he had officially received the resignation letter of the Chief Executive Member of the Council, Shembor Rynjah. Strongpillar Kharjana stated that it was now his duty to notify the Governor of Meghalaya regarding the development. When asked about who would succeed Rynjah as the new Chief Executive Member of the Council, the chairman maintained that the decision lay entirely with the concerned party.
Ba ila Aisha minta jadi malah dan juga malah accept itu kan kata kalau bersisa jini nak pesan jini ya ka suki kalau saya ka jindo frauhi nama ba ni isha ba komisi mudan ya ka mensiam trai sukri pendapat ya kamram kepala jumlah syari oh sisa perlu hega jindo jimuta ya frauhi kena kesungguh kena harap bayar kata mereka kesungguh parti yang bukan sila ya yang bukan jet yang bukan bet banjir kata kesungguh parti mereka dari kata menjaga parti mah ke awak kalau manusia hadiah Banglayu yang kena ke resign jadi CM bagi burung jadi namarhi hak sekretari lembaga sekretari hak yang baru ai ke jemput nak office jom governor nama governor juga lek yang kami kam atau korang